Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. These releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. We have 3 collections of foil bundle, new doodles, as well as 3 new foil sheets. Well, 3 old foil sheets in foil colors that are currently not available. So let's go ahead and get into this week's releases. So let's do the doodles first. So we have 131 through 140. The first one here is some donuts. A lot of these are food related. These are cute little steaks. And then some fried chicken. I guess I could zoom in a little bit more. There you go. Let me show you the steak up close again. Steak. And I wanted to keep them neutral, so I debated on doing the plates colorful, and ultimately Jess of Kitten Jess was like, no, do them white. And I do think this will match a lot more. And then you have some little dumplings, which are super cute. And then this one here is a plate of spaghetti and avocado toast, some ramen. Oh God, it looks so good. And then kind of like a egg and bacon breakfast, a stack of pancakes, and a bowl of I just want some noodles right now. So those are the new doodles for this week. I am super excited about those, especially the donut ones, because I severely lacking on donut stickers. Then for the 3 new sheets of foil, I have the rose weekend banners as well as the rose date numbers in the like new style dates. And I'm going to be adding these to the listings, and there will be the all 3 option then available. And then I also purchased these, another suggestion from Jess of Kitten Jess, which is the Sparkly Hollow mini months. So those will be available, and I'll put all 3 of those listings in the new releases section so you guys can find those super easy. The foil for this week is so pretty. If you guys watched Kirsten's video, Plan With Me from last week, she used this with Under the Sea, which was for Reagan's birthday. I actually already have that. Do I have that spread laid out, or do I have it? Let's see. I think I might have it laid out, which it did look really cute with it. And now I'm like, oh, should have waited for the foil. Where is it? April. Yeah, I used the, it's like an oil slick hollow waves. I thought it turned out really cute, but Kirsten used this, and I think it turned out really pretty. I will have Plan With Me's up soon, not this week, maybe Friday, we will see, but they're coming. And I think I decided I want to do a new and an old, so not like starting from 3 or 4 months ago, because that's just a long time. So I think that I'm going to do an old Plan With Me, so something from like, you know, the end of March, beginning of April, and then do something like last week. So I think that'll be fun and kind of keep me in the zone. And then for the foil bundle, like I said, it is a magenta hollow. It's so pretty. Let me go ahead and show you guys here. I'm actually going to show you guys compared to lavender hollow so you guys can see the difference. I have the matte sampler here so you guys can see the difference. Ooh. So this one's definitely more of like a magenta purpley pink, and this one's more of like a light lavender, light dusty lavender. So I love this. I think it's going to go with so many kits. Another one that I think I'm going to love, just like lavender hollow. So this is in the celestial format. I think I have it coming in another format in a couple of months, but this one is the celestial. So you have this page here, which has the 6 full boxes in the headers. You get 2 of those. You get 2 pages of the bougie boxes, 1 of the script and the icons, and then the bottom washi fancy headers, deco, and date numbers. And I just think this foil is so pretty, going to match so many kits. I think it would look good with these 2 kits this week. Really, really pretty, or any kit that has like a really pretty pink or purple in it. I think it just really pops. And like I said, if you guys want to see it in action, you can head over to Kirsten's video, because I think it turned out really, really cute. So there is that. And let's go into the kits for this week. So we do have 3 kits. The first one here is called Cloudbusting, which is super cute. I love anything kind of like celestial, cloud, star, moon. And this is a really pretty one. So all of the kits this week do come in an ultimate kit and a mini kit. So here is the full boxes, super pretty. I love these colors. And then your extra full boxes here have the computer and then like a little fashion flat lay. And again, these colors are gorgeous. This is a really perfect anytime kit in my opinion. I also think it'd be really cute for a birthday if you know somebody who has this kind of vibe. solid pattern, and then the bottom washi being like really pretty clouds with like a gradient of color in the background. And then the extra in both the ultimate kit and the mini kit is the 2 fashion options here, just in different skin tone and hair colors. And then, like I said, it also does come in a mini kit. I'll go ahead and show you guys this mini kit in case you aren't familiar with our mini kit format. It has 5 pages instead of the 8. So you do get the same full boxes, the same deco page, the same glitter header page. This is the mini kit page, so you get some labels and little things, and then the same bottom washi page. And of course, the same freebie. And I think especially this full box here with a quote on it would be so pretty. I need to find some cute quotes for that. So that is the mini kit. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all of the extras in case you want to add any of those on. So the extras are the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then the fashion options, which is the gorgeous like hair from the back. It's so cute. I love the like ombre ones. I think they're so pretty. So that is Cloudbusting, and it'll be the first kit for the week. And then the second kit is Moon Palace, which I feel like I worked on forever ago because it came out before D-Stash Day, which went so well. I am so excited, and all of those orders were dropped off today. I'm filming this on Saturday, and should be on their way to their new forever homes. So let's go ahead and get into this. And if you did miss out on it, I am going to be doing more in the future, and I hope to do them more frequently because this year I want to get rid of a lot of like old things that we have. And that's what I usually put in D-Stash boxes, and I've been brainstorming a lot of cool combos and things like that because in the past, I've done mostly a D-Stash box, which if you guys watched last week's new release video, is just a jumble of stuff inside of a box. But I think you guys do kind of also like the curated ones where I'll say like this has an album and like 5 kits and 5 foil bundles and whatever. So I'm going to kind of start, changing it up a little bit, but also still doing D-Stash boxes. So this is Moon Palace, and I think this is gorgeous. I really went back and forth because Jess, the artist of this, did a light version of the scene and then a dark, but I think the dark really leans into the purple, which is what I loved about this kit. And I think it's so pretty and very like ethereal, and again, it looks good with so many different foils. You have the 2 extra full boxes here, and the colors are again so pretty. A very anytime kit. Again, I think this would be really cute if you knew somebody who really liked Sailor Moon and it was for their birthday. And then the extra full boxes are this box here in the different skin tones for both the mini and the ultimate, which it does also come in a mini kit. Let me go ahead and show you guys all of the add-ons for this one as well. And the shop will open Wednesday at noon Eastern, so the shop currently isn't open. I was going to open it, but I figured we'll just open Wednesday with new releases and have a little bit of a break. So you have the 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then the fashion option. It's so pretty. Okay, so there's that. And then last but not least, we do have Autumn Leaves, which also does come in a mini kit. So let's go ahead and go through this. This is the first fall kit. It is so crazy. We are already moving into fall art. I'm actually working on Christmas customs right now. I've been watching some Christmas movies to make mood boards for those. All of them are done for the year. But yeah, I am really excited to get into fall, Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, all of those vibes. We have a lot of really cool kits coming, and let's go ahead and get into this one. This one is super pretty. This one also had a light and dark option, and I went with the dark. I think it just read a little bit more fall and warm and cozy, and I love the candles and the creamers and syrups and this really pretty scene here and all of the food, of course. So love this. This would be a perfect like September, or even like this might be really pretty like right before Thanksgiving. Your extra full boxes over here, you have fall decorations and then a fashion flat lay, and then these colors just scream fall, and I love it. So let's go through the kit. The bottom washi is this really pretty leaf pattern. And then again, the freebie with the kit is the fashion options in different skin tone and hair colors. And that also comes with the mini kit. And let me go ahead and show you guys the add-on options. So you do have the 15mm strip. There's also the label sampler, and then also fashion options if you want to add those on. So that is everything for this week. Again, these releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern, and the shop will open up with all of our normal stock then. And I'm really excited for the kind of season change. I have a lot of really cool kits planned for Halloween, a lot of customs for Halloween and Christmas. I do have a Thanksgiving custom as well. I will have, what is it called? I will have Bennett's birthday art coming soon. I have to think of a theme for it or have him pick between themes. I feel like with him, I'm like, want to wait till kind of last minute. So that custom will be coming. There's a Thanksgiving custom coming. There's a new, what is it called? Back to school custom coming. We have a lot of stuff coming soon. So I'm really excited about that. But I hope you guys like this video. Again, these releases will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.